Have you ever had a day where you felt you have been released from a prison? Mine was the day Jay and Bitsat got over. From celebrating birthdays online, making stickers of friends, drinking not cold drinks in front of the main building, going to the beach, making lifelong friends, making drunk conversations, sleeping in the lecture hall, making night out with friends, sleeping in the morning after having breakfast, after waking up whole night, dancing in the boys' hostel, going to pubs, hitting on Russians, hacking SWD website and changing the mess options of students, waking up whole night to pass the exams, driving cars in the beautiful roads of Goa, to meeting big startup founders of Bits Goa including Curious Harish and Ishan Sharma. We did it all. College started online, which I didn't want it. So the craziest thing I did was went to mountains and attended online class for full 1 month from there. Seems unreal, right? Well, that's a completely different story which you can watch on my other channel. After some time, we were a group of 12 friends who were looking forward for making lifelong memories. The only thing we could do at the time was having late night meets and playing smash cards and scribble. Yeah, this was pretty much it for the first sem, as everything was online. Hopefully, we were called back on campus for the second semester. After doing so much hard work in the past few years, it was finally the time for me to join one of the finest college of this country, that is BITS Pilani Goa campus. I left my home and took a flight to Goa. While I was traveling and watching the clouds, I kept wondering how my college life would look like. Will it be worth it? Will I be able to survive the competitive environment? Or how will the people treat me? With all the insecurities came a little bit of excitement. We landed in Goa and then I went to nearby beach with my parents. We had a good time there, and on the next day it was finally the time for me to say goodbye to them. Since I'm an introvert, I found it difficult to make friends at first in college, as most of my online friends already shifted to BITS Hyderabad in the last round of counseling. Also, people often misunderstand introverts as arrogant, as we are at first not so comfortable in the first one or two interactions. But I found people of my interest and made new friends. Also, I'm very particular while choosing friends, so I take my time initially. People who know me can tell you very well how fun of a person I am when I commit myself to a friendship and get comfortable. At first, there wasn't much academic load, so we had jamming sessions in front of the B Dome. After that session, I remember a dude walking up to me and saying, "Tu Musoc का दूसरा drummer है?" Well, Musoc is the music club of BITS Goa, in which only 6 students were selected from a batch of 800. And yeah, I was one of them. Flexing, of course. And after that, he kind of adopted me. After that, we went to music room and had late night sessions, danced in the hostel room like engineering boys, went to outings together and whatnot. Outings were an integral part of first year. गोवा में हो और बाहर नहीं गए तो क्या ही फायदा. We went on outings almost every single week, some of which were club outings, and in outings में क्या ही होता होगा, you can just imagine. Friends are probably the best thing college has to offer. मेरे अब इतने सारे friends बन गए थे कि I can't imagine a day without them. And the day which was most special to me was when I got my silver play button from YouTube, and my friends planned a special party for me. Hands down, this was one of the best day of my life. The sense of pride that I felt that day was unreal. उस दिन realize हुआ, success is nothing if you have no one to celebrate with you. इसके अलावा, I went to play badminton almost every single day. सुबह उठ के जिम जाने का भी ट्राई किया, but अभी तक पता चल गया होगा कि कॉलेज में रात में सोना is almost impossible. I also went to a startup event where I met so many startup founders, including that of Wakao, who came on Shark Tank. I also gave a little speech there about my YouTube journey. अब तुम सोच रहे होंगे भाई ये सब तो ठीक है, लेकिन इसमें क्लास जाना और पढ़ाई करना कब हुआ? तो बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स एज सेड बाई लाखों ऑलरेडी पास्ड महाज्ञानी इंजीनियर्स, इंजीनियरिंग की पढ़ाई एक रात पहले ही की जाती है. तो बस हमने भी वही किया, एंड गेस व्हाट, आई पास्ड. ऑल्सो बिट्स हैज़ अ 0% अटेंडेंस पॉलिसी, तो मुझे क्लास जाने की कोई ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. A special mention to my roommate Devansh, who was kind enough to bear me for 3 months straight. I know बहुत परेशान किया है और मुझ जैसे को झेलना काफ़ी मुश्किल काम है, बट 5 साल बाद पीछे मुड़ के देखेगा तो यही दिन याद आएंगे. इस सब के साथ देखते देखते फर्स्ट ईयर वॉज ओवर, विच आई नेवर वॉन्टेड इट टू बी. लास्ट डे में वी ऑल वोर ट्रेडिशनल्स एंड टुक बैड स्नैप्स. Looking back, I realize I only spent 3 months on campus in the first year and learned so much in this short span of time. Made so many friends from different cultures, had so much fun, made so many memories together, which was far more important than academics and grades for me. I'm here for experiences and not just for few pieces of paper. I remember what my mom told me while she was leaving me in the college, and I'll remember this for the rest of my life.
और CGPA कितना लाना है?
CGPA से कोई मैटर नहीं करता है। आप बस अच्छी बातें सीखिए, लोगों से मिलिए, एक्सप्लोर करिए, जितना हो सके उतना सीखिए, बस सीखते जाइए।
I had insecurities about myself, and I'm sure everyone has. I doubted myself at times. I feared being judged by other people and not being able to fit in the crowd. I was not good at talking with people, which might seem a bit contrasting as I'm a YouTuber. I was also careless most of the times, which I know is not a good thing to possess, but you know what? The good thing is that I got to know myself so much better, and that I can work on these things and become a better person. There are still 3 more years to go, and I'm really excited for this journey. Hope to meet some of you as juniors this year. Well, someone told me that this year is going to be very special in your life. At first, I didn't know why, but now I know the answer.
खड़ा हूँ आज भी वहीं कि दिल फिर बेकरार है। खड़ा हूँ आज भी वहीं कि तेरा इंतजार है। छू लो जो मुझे तुम कभी, खो न जाऊँ मैं रात दिन, नजरों में तुम हो बसे। कह दो जो तुम एक बार मेरे हो, बस तुम मेरे, नजरों में तुम हो बसे।